Welcome back to Corporate Corridor. We're having a very interesting discussion about the banking industry of Pakistan and Citibank in particular. Now, it's that part of the show, since we're towards the end now. We'll talk to Mr. Usmani about Citibank and its future in Pakistan. Now, Mr. Usmani, I'm sure you've also heard different rumors speculating in the market, circulating that Citibank, it has gone through problems all across the globe. It's nothing hidden. It's all public information. But looking at that way, and since the scope of operations of Citibank in Pakistan isn't that vast, will Citibank stay in Pakistan, number one, and how does Citibank tend to deal with the problems which it is facing globally and in Pakistan?
As you said in the beginning, we've been here since 1961, and I intend to celebrate our 50th birthday in January of 2011. We have no intention of leaving. Citibank's been committed to the country. It's seen various ups and downs. At the end of the day, we are an economic unit. We need to look at the viability of different products and areas. Certainly areas, as I said in the beginning, we've made mistakes in the consumer finance area. We've lost money, and we've had our share of NPL. So we've rationalized that business and reduced its adverse impact on our financials. So now we are focused on corporate banking in Pakistan. We continue to develop new products and offerings. We're working with various government and public sector, non-public sector agencies, top tier companies in Pakistan on their investment requirements. And that brings me to this point that you made earlier, that the industry and the economy is slowed down. We were talking during the break that there is a lower demand for credit. People are not investing. There's some uncertainty in the market. The economy in Pakistan has always seen, as you know, ups and downs. People have learned to live with it. Yeah. They go up and down, yes, etc. But this time there's a little more happening, and that's our political uncertainty due to the war in Northwest Frontier Province, and that's causing some people to rethink their business objectives. And that, I think, is reflected. Citibank, to come back and close, Citibank is here to stay. It'll support the economy in whatever way it can. Certainly, the reality of international issues will reflect, but it's not going anywhere.
So you're doing your homework, work is going on,
absolutely.
And you're not let's say, because we've seen the likes of other banks closing down their operation in non-profitable regions, so that problem won't be seen by Citibank.
No, it's our financials will be published. You'll see we are profitable.
All right, and now since you've been touched upon the economy, our economy has been improving. We've seen our economic numbers going up. Inflation estimates have gone down to 9.5%. Last year, August, we were seeing it in CPI inflation standing at about 25%. So on the back of that, interest rates will come down. Hopefully, the advance deposit ratios will go up. But one problem that you mentioned as well is that investors, especially those who have been in Pakistan for a long time, their industries are in Pakistan, so they're not going anywhere. But what they're doing is they're holding back on future expansion plans which they had. So how will that
I think that will unfortunately continue for a while, and I think public sector expenditure will have to lead. Right? For example, if government expands the Pakistan steel mill, or the government takes some measures to do major projects, it's happened elsewhere in other countries. Post-war in the US, and the president took the lead. So public sector expenditure will have to lead the way. I think there's some private sector investment is coming. Karachi Electric Supply Corporation, government still has a large share, has to put in capacity. Power is another growth segment of the economy. They have to invest, and so it's happening. But yes, our traditional industries like textiles, if I had a textile mill, I'm not doubling capacity. Global recession plus local uncertainty. So somebody will have to take the lead. We are here, we are 165, 170 million people. We ain't going nowhere. We have to live, and we'll turn it around. Inshallah, I'm very hopeful.
All right, and my final question to you, Mr. Usmani. Now, we've seen things sort of changing in the economy. Local people of Pakistan are here to stay. They have really nowhere else to go. But it's the foreign investors who always have an option of leaving a specific country and going away. And in the past 1.5 years, we've seen a lot of foreign investment going out of Pakistan. Now, you deal with foreigners coming into Pakistan as well. How is their perception? Is it changing, or is it still the same?
No, it has gone, south. Pakistan's it's not a secret that Pakistan has problems. I think security is the number one concern. As a foreign bank here operating in Pakistan, I have difficulty in attracting people to come and audit me. They're scared. So I think that has to change. That means the government's priority, and through various bodies like the American Business Council, we continue to make a case to the government, work on the security aspect, work on improving as you said,
perception of the country.
Perception of the country. It stems from security. Yeah. People want to come. There's so many alternative capital hungry.
Absolutely.
So Pakistan has to offer something unique, and it does. It offers a large market. It offers very industrious, very hardworking people.
So we generally, and hopefully we are seeing the government making efforts on the safety side as well and security, and hopefully things for Pakistan, inshallah, do improve. Thank you very much, Mr. Arif Usmani, for joining us today for Corporate Corridor. It's a pleasure having you.
It was a pleasure being here.
We'll surely talk to you more about
inshallah.
this as well.
I look forward to it.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
Mr. Arif Usmani, their Managing Director and Country Head for Citibank Pakistan, today joining us on Corporate Corridor, and we had a very candid discussion about the overall banking industry of Pakistan, with particular emphasis on Citibank. So one thing is pretty clear, the Citibank is here in Pakistan to stay. They have been here since 1961. They have all their plans of celebrating the 50th anniversary in 2011, and as far as bringing new innovations in the industry are concerned, they are keen on doing that. Citibank has been a very valuable asset as far as the industry, the banking industry of Pakistan is concerned, and with economic numbers improving, economy getting better, inflation estimates going down, and expectations that credit growth will once again start in the country, it is expected that the banking industry and Citibank will grow in the coming days, and we certainly hope that the industry as well as the economy and the internal political and law and order situation of the country does remain stable for the benefit of all of us as Pakistanis. That's about all from today's Corporate Corridor. You're more than welcome to write to us at corporatecorridor@dawnnews.tv for any suggestions or feedback. Till next week, from me, Zain Sohrawardy, and the rest of the Corporate Corridor team, it's goodbye for now.